Good day, everyone. I'm here to talk you through online registration for Ramara Recreation through our online portal. First, we need to go to our Ramara website at ramara.ca. A good way to get directly to recreation is ramara.ca/recreation. Here's the recreation main page. These icons are all of the services that we offer. Today, we're going to go to programs and courses. Here's the button that we're looking for, online registration. There are two options here. Either you have an account or you need to sign up for a new account. If you haven't taken a course with us in the last year, you will need to sign up and create a new account. If you are already enrolled in a family camp or one of the virtual take-home craft kits, you already have an account that we created on your behalf. Go ahead and give the office a call and we'll send you out a unique link to get access to your account. Today, we've created a sample account. Let's go ahead and log in. Here's our two registrants, Lady Sample and her son, Prince Sample. There are two tabs, My Info and the Register Now button. We can also add family member by clicking on Add Family Member. Let's go ahead and see what information we've collected. Clicking on Prince Sample, you'll see he's 7. There's his birthday, his phone number, his address, schedules, outcomes, attendance, transactions, and financial information. One of the interesting things on here is the schedule. Let's go ahead and click on that. Looking at the calendar, we can see what courses that Prince is set up in. Prince isn't set up in any courses right now, so we have nothing to see. This is especially important when it comes to camps. You'll see what camp your child's in and on what day. Let's go ahead and go back to the client list. Today, we're going to register Prince into a course. We created a sample course in kids recreation. And here it is, the sample course, the day, the time, the dates. We see that there are 10 spots left. There's no fee, but we're going to register now. Here's more information about the course. We see all the dates. We see where it is. We can click on this link to show the map of the location where the course is taking place. More information would be in this area. We're going to go ahead and register now. So it's Prince. We'll click the check mark beside his name. And then we see that a spot is held in our cart for Prince for this class. Going to go ahead and press next in the bottom right-hand corner. And we'll see what's in our cart. So there's a children's sample course. The amount is at 0 for this course. Perhaps we want to go ahead and book Prince into a different event. We click book another event in the bottom left-hand corner. Let's have a look at day camp. Prince is 7, so we'll head off to our discovery. We think Prince might like to build things. So we look into Buildit Camp. It does, however, say it's full. So registration here in the top right-hand corner would say registration is closed. We can either press back to get back into the camps, or we can go ahead and have a look at our booking summary. Our booking summary takes us back to the sample course. And we're going to go ahead to check out in the bottom right-hand corner. That takes us to our store. And most of you have seen this through online shopping. There's something in your cart, you go to the store, you enter in your financial information, and then you go ahead and check out. That's it. Prints would be in the course. You receive your email receipt, and you'll be able to see when Prints was registered within those classes and what time. Anytime you can come back to your account and have a look in your info, checking out Prince's schedule, seeing what credit card you've used, seeing what you still have owing on your account or anything like that. If you have any other questions or need more information, in the top left-hand corner, you'll see our phone number at Township of Ramara. This takes you right to the rec center, 705-325-3091. Or you can go ahead and email us at recreation@ramara.ca. All of that information is also found on our website at ramara.ca. And here's our staff that you can contact. Thank you and have a great day.